Welcome back, boys. We have another install video, and it's actually not for the FRS. It's actually for a new 2020 86. Boy Arnaldo is going to be doing a header install, and he's a relatively new car enthusiast, so we're going to kind of help him do some awesome exhaust work. So not too sure how detailed I'm going to go in with this install. I think you can probably watch 100 million of these videos, but it's more for entertainment and just helping one of the boys out. So we're just gonna get at it. All right, we got the headers wrapped, well, for the most part, but it'll do. It's fine. So you actually bought Megan Racing headers, which I actually didn't know they made headers, but I know they make really good coilover versus suspension stuff, but it's cool. So we're actually now gonna get started on the install, and we'll see how this goes. Dude, what's happened to your license plate? There we go. That's better. So how are you enjoying your time so far?
What's up?
How are you enjoying your time so far?
It's a workout.
But we're getting progress, though.
Kind of.
Slowly but surely.
I don't know what I'm doing, Wes. Just a little secret.
You're good. We're learning.
How am I, though?
Headers off. So what are we doing now?
We're taking this plastic out. Got 2 more bolts.
Nice.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. I'm thinking about buying that red manifold that comes on these new cars. It's super nice. And the cool thing is it's aluminum, so I'm able to bore it out when we do the engine build. Maybe. We'll see. Super dope though. And it's like wrinkle finish too, dude. It's so sick. Okay, after dealing with the garbage of an up pipe, which is still the cancerous part of this car, we got it done. Right now we're kind of working on putting the headers back in. Don't mind the music. But that's what we're doing right now, working on it. Oh, phone just decided to turn off. Yeah, so we got that done, just kind of loose putting everything on right now, and now we're tightening it. So we're getting there. Very soon we'll be done. Okay, got the headers in. This is Megan Racing headers and overpipe, and then we have a NVIDIA catback of some sort. So we're gonna see.
I need to find the keys first.
Oh, okay. That might be good. Okay, now we're gonna start the car. See how it sounds. Still very quiet.
That's a little whistle.
Oh. I do hear it. Yeah, it must be that one little bolt. I think once you just get that figured out, I think it should be fine.
I'll do that tomorrow, though.
Yeah, see what you can do.
Let me just fuck around with it. Let's see.
Alright, so I made it back home. It's always fun helping do installs and things of that sort, but I fucking hate that overpipe on our cars. It's literally cancer. Literally the worst thing in the world. But we got it done. No worries. His car still has a stock mid pipe I think. It still has the main cat and main resonator, so it's still pretty quiet. It still has a really big muffler in the back of it, even though it's an NVIDIA of something, Q300 or something like that, so it's still pretty quiet. But super cool though. It was fun working on the car, and hope you guys like it. You know, it's content. It's coronavirus time right now, so just kind of going out doing stuff. I wasn't able to do some of the shoots I wanted to, so that's going to get postponed a little bit later. So hope you guys all enjoyed the install. It was so super fun for me. Other than that, I look like, yeah, I'm pretty on the dirty side of things. I wear gloves too. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with me. Anyways, my name is Wes. I'm out. Deuces.